Wow, look at this snapper. I think they'd make it.
We need to get the critter that's killing off all these turtles.
Another snapper. Egg shells all over. Look at this. How many holes you have? 1, 2, 3. And look at all the eggshells.
Over there. I think they're here.
Wow, I think another animal's eating their eggs. There's more in here. Oh, look at all this turtle egg shells. Look at how many holes in here.
Happy about it. Put it
Wow.
all in one area.
Look at this.
But look at how it didn't. Look how close to being developed it is. It didn't even run. It's empty.
What kind of egg is this?
Looks like a duck egg.
That's big. It's pretty color too.
It's more turtle egg.
Yeah, another turtle egg shell. Lots of cottonwoods all over. Look at this.